Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's daily wrap-up of our trade recommendation made for the Emini at 6:45 a.m. Central Time. We had one of those days that come along maybe a couple of days a month where everything goes right from the get-go. And we started off, we had two buy zones in the day that we thought might offer pretty good support, the 65, 67, and then the 60, 62. And then our first sell out of the chute was 74 to 76. And the high right here is 76 and a quarter. So the short after the day session open was the first trade that offered up. And we use a hierarchy of support and resistance that looks like this. So we have three in the Emini. We have three levels of support and three levels of resistance. And if a number one level holds, you should go to the number two level. So our trading target became the 60, 62 area. And we knew that early. I mean, if you're versed in our methodology and if you trade with us, it's part of our trading plan and part of our methodology. So on a V-top type order in our sell zone, you were short at 75 and the first move was down to 71 and a quarter, so you got 3 points. The market retraced, failed to make new highs. This time you were short at 72.50 and the market traded down to 68.50 where you got another 3 points. Market retraces. Off of our setup, you're now short at 70 and the market trades down to 62.75, which gave you a shot really at 7.5 points. So on this particular trade, you made 5 or 7 if you exited perfectly. And why did you make 5? Because you would have had a buy stop taking out that bars high right there. We did want to buy the 65 area, so we did finally get a buy set up right here. You were long at 65.75. The market did trade to 69, so you just did make your 3 points. The market was heavy selling, as you can see through pane 3. Off of our setup, you're short at 67.50 and the market trades down to 58.75 where you had a shot at 6 points if you exited, if you took out that bars high, or 8 points if you had traded it perfectly and exited in that 59.50 area. And we don't say that you would have done that. So really good trading through lunch. We like to have all of our trading done by 11 or 12 Central. On the low side, you would have pulled in 20 points. On the high side, 24. So really was an outstanding day of trading for us. We recap daily. Our trading's open to all. There's no magic in what we do. It's just that our software and our understanding of the markets, we think, gives us a edge on most other services out there. If you'd like to find out more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of the software, trading methodology, and our educational packages. To further encourage you to come take a look at us, we offer you 5-day free trial in our rooms where you can see how we make the adjustments on the fly, how we handle the markets, how we handle the trades. We talk through them. If you wish to contact us via email, please come to our website at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial, and in the interim, good trading.